Yeah, what's up, guys? This is Mr. BNB. Shout out to all traders out there who are trying so much to believe in themselves. So, guys, today I want to teach you two things on how to trade volatility index, and this can also be applied to currency. Understand? So, I'm going to teach you smart money concept strategy with the combination of Falcon, right? So, that's what we're going to do today. So, now, guys, I want you to look at the screen and see what you're seeing. So, now I'm going to delete this chart because I dropped the signal. I traded this signal, but I'm going to show you how the setup goes, right? But before that, I would like you to click on the subscribe button. Please subscribe to the channel for me to be able to drop more videos, and also click on the like button, drop your comments below. And then if you want to join our VIP channel, just send a message to me either on WhatsApp or Telegram. So I'm going to show you how everything is done. You don't need to complicate your chart, just make it very simple. And then once you analyze the market, wait for this setup to develop. Then also before you execute the market, your trade, right? So let's go straight to what we have today. So now this is volatility 51st, right? This is very volatile, understand? But let me delete it. Now, based on what you're seeing here, we want to combine both Falcon and SMC together to see if it can work out. Trust me, you are going to enjoy it. Watch this video to the end. So we'll be talking about volatility 51st and also crash, I think 300 stand, and then you are going to see how it goes. So now I drop this signal. Let's start from here. Now this is volatility 51st. Now this is our rectangle. But before that, let's scale down to higher time frame, which is 4 hours, for us to be able to see the clear view of the market. You understand? Because that is very important. You understand? So now here you can see here that this market you're seeing, this particular market, what your hour time frame is all about is just for you to be able to see the clear view of the market. Maybe the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, or sideways trend. But based on what we are seeing here, you can see that the current market is in an uptrend market, right? So now let's go down to, okay, this is 4 hours. Now you can see that the market pushed up like this. From here, the market pushed up. The market was creating a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? So, and then it got to this particular point, the market dropped to the downside. After the market dropped to the downside, after the market dropped to the, sorry, after the market dropped to the downside, sorry, please. After the market dropped to the downside, the market mitigates something here. After the market mitigates something here, right? And after that, the market changed structure from downtrend to uptrend, right? So this is an uptrend market. So the market got here. So now, as the market got here, the market made a massive drop to the downside. Are you following what I'm teaching you? The market got here and made a massive drop to the downside, which the market come here and start pushing up. But if you check, what did the market come and do here? Is there an order block here? Look at it. Is there an order block here? On 4 hours, there is no order block here. Why did the market push to the downside? And then how can you enter this market as sell? That's what we want to figure out now. Now let's proceed. Okay. What we're gonna do right now is we scale down to 1 hour, our medium time frame. Since we understand that the market changed from uptrend to downtrend, we want to see. I want to show you how I cut the sell instant. That's what I want to show you, and how I cut this buy as well. That's what I want to show you, right? So now look at the market here. Look at the market. Look at this place. This is it. You will see that this market, it gave us what? Break of structure here, break of structure to the downside, break of structure to the downside. Understand? Break of structure to the downside. Understand? You know, the way synthetic move is quite different from currency. If it is currency, you're going to see the break of structure will be very, very big, instant, which you're going to see very well, right? So now here, the market got to this place. This particular order block here. As the market got there, normally this is not a valid order block for us to trade, for us to sell from. Are you following me? Based on SMC strategy, this is not the valid order block for us to sell from, right? But I took this sell with the combination of Falcon. Are you following what I'm trying to teach you? I took the sell with a combination of Falcon. Now, when we talk about our valid order block, now look at this order block is mitigated. Everything here has been mitigated. Everything here has been mitigated. Understand? Everything here has been, this one is yet to be mitigated, right? So if we are to talk, this should be our valid order block, because this is going to become our what? This is going to be our what? Inducement. This is going to be our inducement, right? And this is going to be the valid order block we are expecting to sell from. This is just a decisional. I can call this maybe a smart money trap. But the truth of the matter is that the market got there and dropped sharply. How do we get this sell? That's what I'm going to show you now. Now here, as the market start pushing up from this particular zone, it start pushing up. The market start pushing up. It start pushing up. Push up. Understand? And then the market got here. And then look at it. The market dropped to the downside sharply. So what we want to do right now is that you bring out your Falcon. Just bring out your trend line. Apply something like this. Okay, this is not okay. This is not what I used. Just draw it like this. Check it yourself. You can see. As the markets approach this level, just bring out your trend line. This is our first touch here, second touch here, and this is our third touch. This is where I got the sell entry. It is as simple as that. Do you see? It is as simple as that. Now, this is where I got the sell entry. Now, let's go down to 30 minutes to see more clear view on it. Okay, so the market dropped here, got to this place, and dropped to the downside. Understand? The market dropped to the downside, and then you can see something like this. First touch, second touch, and then the third touch, the market break out of that trend line and sold to the downside, right? So this is our first entry as sell. And then look at it here. As the market starts selling, right? We have two other block here as buy. Now there is one other block here. Are you following me? There is one other block here, right? And there is another other block here. There is another other block here. So guys, which one is valid among the two other blocks? We have first other block is here. There is a zone here, understand? Right? And then there is another one here. Let me go back to 1 hour for us to be able to see it, understand? So let's wait for the something to load, right? So now here we have our change of character to the upside, and then let's write it. Change of character. Stand. So that's that. Change of character. So this is our break of structure to the downside. So this is the other block that caused the break of structure. This is the other block. This is the reason why I choose this particular other block here that caused this break of structure. So this one can now be tagged as smart money trap. This other block can be tagged as smart money trap. Understand? And why this one is our extreme? This is our extreme other block, right? You can see that we have some other block here as well. Understand? But we don't. The market did not react on all this one. This one is our extreme other block. Here, this one is our extreme. But the point there is that the market did not get there. The market goes to this place and drop and start pushing up. Understand? So now, guys, let me show you, guys. Now, look at it. Let's take this one away. So this one can be identified as our what? Liquidity. This one can be identified as our liquidity. And then this is our demand zone. Oh, sorry, demand sorry, demand zone. So that can be identified as our what? Our demand zone. So now how did I get this entry here? So when the market got to this place yesterday, I was just observing the market. After I've analyzed the market, you don't need to chase it. Wait for the market to wait for your setup to build up. You stand. So I had to wait for some couple of hours instant. So now let's go straight to how I got this entry. I think I got the entry from somewhere around here. You can see we have first touch, second touch, third touch. The market mitigate it and do what? And start pushing up. So, and after that, so I bought the market from this place. From this place, I bought the market from here. Stand from this place. Now let me show you. Hold on, please. Let me show you my. Let me just show you the results for you to be able to know that I caught the market. So now my first TP was around somewhere here. So the market took it out, and now you know this one is very volatile. Volatility 50 first is very volatile. You can see how the market is buying. Understand? If I want to buy this, if I want to sell this market from here, maybe from here, you know, this is another order block here. This is another order block here. So if I don't see the Falcon structure, instant, I won't sell it. I'll just wait for the market to go instant. So but currently the market is still buying, guys. So now here the market is buying. Let me show you. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay. Now let me show you. You can see here. Can you see? You can see? Can you see it? Volatility 51st instant. So that's it. Now let me go back to this place. I dropped the signal in the group. Let me share screen. Let me go back. Okay. So here you can see the market is still buying. So this is what I have on volatility 51st. Guys, this pattern, this strategy is very real. Very, very real. If you can just follow the updates instant, analyze it, use the Falcon with the SMC. Don't rush yourself. Let the market build up instant. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. So now this is volatility 51st. So guys, let's check volatility. Let's check crash 300. I think 300. Let's check it. This is crash 300. Let's check. Okay, so this is crash 300. So now here, let me delete this chart. This is crash 300. So now look at it. Look at the market. We have, okay. So I bought this market yesterday. I'm going to send the screenshot for you guys to be able to see. So here, this is our extreme order block. This is our extreme. I'm choosing this order block here. And then this is our inducement here that stands as what? Liquidity. Instant. So that's it. And also the market sweep this though to confirm our what? Our liquidity. And also hold on, please, guys. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so and also this one confirmed as our what break of structure to the upside because we are still in a bullish market. If you go to 4 hours, you're gonna see what I'm trying to say. In 4 hours time frame, the market is what is bullish. You understand? We are still expecting the market to do what? To go long. You can see. I've been buying this market for some times now. Understand? It took me out. I bought again. Understand? So I think since 2 weeks ago, since 2 weeks now, I've been trading this particular pair. So now look at the market. The market is in what? An uptrend market, which means that the market is bullish. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So guys, let's focus on this particular price action here and let's see what we have. So let's go to 1 hour. Okay, good. These are 1 hour's time frame. So this is our what? This is our demand zone. This is our breakout structure. To be honest with you guys, I supposed to wait for the market to come to this particular order block here. before looking to buy the market. But I saw an opportunity. That's the reason, that's the more reason why I bought the market. So this is our break of structure. We can tag this one as what? Change of character to the downs. Okay, let's say change of character. CH, you understand? That's our change. Sorry. So that's our change of character. That's our change of character because I'm expecting the market to come to either this place. If I see Falcon strat, if I see Falcon setup instant or this place instant, before we go short again, before the market will push up instant. So now look at this one. Look at it very well. Check it yourself. How did I enter this market as buy? Here is the just bring out your trend line, draw it like this. Can you see? First touch, second touch, third touch. I start buying the market from here. Now, this is at the downside. Now, look at this one. First touch here. First touch here, second touch, third touch. Look at it. My TP was around this place. Here, this place. So I start buying the market from this particular zone. I buy the market instant. I think around here, instant. But the market mitigates this order block and drop sharply. So what are we expecting now? What am I expecting? I'm still going to buy this market, trust me. So I'm expecting the market to go up, instant, to go up. And then once it gets to this place, then I'll look for what? Falcon strategy again, instant. Maybe something like this. Do you get me? Confirm it. Once it gets to this place, then I'll buy from here, then buy up. Do you get me? Trust me, this can work on any currency pair. Understand? Any market, both synthetic, boom and crash, anything. Understand? Currency, it will work perfectly. Do you get me? So this is what we have on crash 300. So guys, before I end this video, let me just check. I think I trade boom 500 as well, but let's check it. Okay, this is boom 500. You can check, see it yourself. Let me go back to 2 hours. Let me go to 2 hours. Let me check. So now let me show you guys. Let me show you for you to be able to see. Let me show you. Now let me share the screen. Okay. So come and check it yourself. You can see this is it here. Boom, 500. You can see it. So guys, let's check the market itself. Let's see what we have in the market. Where's the market? Okay. So guys, this is it. It's very simple. Let me clear the chart. Understand? Here, this order block is very, very valid. This order block is very, very valid. One, what are the criteria? Number one, it sweep this ball. Before that, let me start from this place. The market goes to this point here and drop to the downside. Maybe if we can have something like this, you can see it's very easy like that. Something like this. You can see it's first touch, second touch, third touch, it drop and mitigate the trend line here. You can see it mitigates the trend line and drop to the downside. Anyway, this is not where I'm going. I'm just showing you guys for you to be able to see what we have. Now look at it. This order block, this one has been mitigated. This particular order block has been mitigated. This order block is yet to be mitigated. This one here is stand. But the truth of the matter is that the market drop, something like this, it dropped to the downside, push back up, and then this confirm as a break of structure, drop to the downside. So I'm choosing this particular zone as our what? I'm choosing that zone as our order block, right? As our order block. So this confirmed as our break of structure to the downside. Now, the market now made this move, drop to the downside, pushed up. This becomes our inducement here, drop to the downside, push up, and it's compressed to the upside. So it got to this point here, drop, drop, stand. The market did not mitigate the other block, right? The market gets here and drop out. Now let's check how we can figure out the entry. Look at it here. So look at it, guys. Now check the market yourself. Okay, the market pushed to the downside like this and pushed up, pushed to the downside. Now the entry was here. Check it yourself. You can see this is real. Forget about combining indicator. This is real. You understand? Once you can be able to identify the market structure, trust me, you will enjoy it. So don't let anybody deceive you about indicator. Stop buying any indicator on boom and crash. Trust me. Just do the top-down analysis yourself and add Falcon with SMC. That's all. And then you can send a message to me and not our mentorship fee is just token, right? So let's go straight to the point. We have first touch, second touch, third touch, the market drop. Now, let's scale to 30 minutes and let's see what we have on 30 minutes. So this stop complicating things, right? So that's that. Here, so we have first touch, second touch, third touch here. And then also here we have, let me check this one. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, so the market dropped to the downside like this. You can see the market dropped to the downside. Now, I want to show you something. After that, after the market dropped to the downside, now the market did another thing here. See, you see. So you can easily enter the market from any, if you miss this particular entry here, you can enter the market from somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, then put your stop loss like this. Understand? Trust me. It is as simple as that. Then your take profit should be here. That low should be your take profit. So, guys, this is what I have for you. So now let me just be honest with you. Don't give up on yourself, no matter what. Trading is going to give you the right money you need. Understand? But it's just a process. Just follow the process and trust me, you will enjoy it. So, guys, now I'm going to end this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you all.